Hi everybody, this is Red Hard Waffle. Right, so I'm doing my second early reveal. My bloody tripod's broke, so I'm going to have to do it behind. Okay, so here we go. One. Oh god, they're not very big. Not looking too good. Ah, well that's a bigger one. Alright. Oh, not too bad. Not massive. Perhaps I should have left them a bit longer. I don't. Oh, that's not bad. That's okay. Oh, not too bad. Sweet potato. That's a bit. Right. Not as good as I thought, but not too bad. These are Charlotte seeds. I'm sorry my tripod's broke. I said bloody. It was both my hands, but. That do we? Right. What else we got? There's some more coming out anyway. Not too bad. Not too bad. I've had better. Quite a few of them. Not this ones. Don't really like this one, but there you go. You can't eat them, can you? I expected better, but these can't be choosers. So, not too bad. These are Charlotte seeds. I've got them. I wish I'd have done Sapamira now. Somebody says Sapamira are really good. Keep finding the odd one. That was the what? £4? I've had better, but I've had worse, so like it was terrible. That's not too bad. What a little ones are. Okay, not little ones. But I suppose you can put them in stir fries or grate or stew or something. Well, I think that's it. Not brilliant, but not bad. Charlotte's, yeah, they'll do for tea. Okay, I'll leave you and love you now. I thought I'd just do a quick reveal. I'll do a better one next time. My tripod ain't broke. Okay, bye for now.